Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create or add roles on Discord. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. Click the server you want to add roles. Then, click this drop down button and go to server settings, and in here, click on roles. To start creating roles in the server, click this create role button. You can see that a new role has been added. Click on that to customize its name and permissions. In this bubble, you can type the name that you want for the role. For example, let's call this role Officer. After that, below you can assign a color for that role. For example, let's choose blue for this role. Also here, you can choose an icon that will appear beside the username of the member assigned of that role. Just click choose image to add a role icon. But in order to use this feature, you need to boost the server. Next, go to permissions. Here, we can assign what that specific role can do inside the server. To enable certain feature, just turn on this button. For example, we want to give this role a permission in managing channels. Just click this button and that feature will be enabled. We can add more permissions depending on what you want. After that, click Save Changes. Once you're done giving permissions, go to Manage Members. Here, you can see who are the members who has this role. Since it is newly made, no member has this role yet. To add members to this role, just click this. Simply choose the member and click Add button. You can see that a member has been added. To remove them from this role, simply click this cross button. Another way to assign roles to a member is by going to the members page. Scroll down and click members. Here, you can click this plus sign and you can choose on what role you want to assign to that specific member. You can also click this three dots icon, go down to roles, and here, assign the role. You can assign multiple roles in a single member. After that, your new role has been created. Returning to the roles page will display the list of the roles. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to create roles on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.